adishima mame mawajo na me sana se ototo bonso atukanfo nyame de na ya we dai adom yen ye boni nyina echi yaso de nyina echi no oh de adom ye dodo moja gusu fu ye nyina ye mu afosane ye de awurade ase da wonso ase abotra wanya na wata Adom TV ho na nso ahwe ye kuna forma education ye de ama wo mu we ni hu enye easy emranti emabawa bom papa mema bezu no mu hye kiro pa eya no mpese mo ba animu ho ane ye ma omo education ai hu hia papa because omo nyina no obi ana ne kunwu HIV mu obi ana ne iriwu obi kana ne baby na enya bie obi ana ne busua obi okra no ekrani ba na otwempena o but see education aba no ehia se obi biara ebebo ne ho ban na honorable ye ma say eh e mema eh sa e dia so masi ma we nyina ani esi nyame adom a 17th of June ye be a 9th National Widows Alliance Conference our Trade Fair Pavilion B masha se eto nsa frɛ o mekura fo ma ne mpanifo nyi obi de o radio na bia wo a wo hu da wonim e bia na yo krani ba 17 June dua e free enyi ska bia but mo de so baba no benya empowerment ni bi boldness na ye de ma ekunafo ma no wonso bra na begibi akawa koma na opesa wo bua sponsor so a and your baba 0244261200 uyi ne de bua ekunafo ni mama na ewusia e nhira e de ma e nhira papa e de ma ane ene Odo Ahomaso infiedu soni ye ka empratwe mu nsem ene awore mu nsem na empemu agro kan aha ene hyase Odo Ahomaso die odofo ene nyame ya adom nyame timi hira bia ma ne du so bia so if you say the wonderful resource person Saminya both locally internationally nyame adom akwa ene ye wo hai obi hwe wo Spain enti nyame adom no bedu Ghana omo se aka 2 weeks kwa mekwa mebo moden ede minim die abodo Ahomaso enti ene no ye was sex expert sex educator she is a sex doctor now what me din now who ofeni din ko say Pretty Johnson you're welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, darling.
You know how we do this? That's my girl. That's my mama. That's my baby. Shalom, gorgeous.
Thank you. Sorry.
Honorable. Courtesy by my honorable.
Yeah.
And yet easy.
The courtesy by the Deputy Minister, Trade and Industry, Carlos Kingsley. Only I have to say arrow.
My honorable Carlos. That man, come there. My darling, I just salute you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I give it to you, baby. Won't come that secret. Me sure say Carlos Oka. Honorable Oka. Oka is serious. Wherever you are, I know you're watching us. We are so grateful. Sweetheart.
Yes, darling.
You good?
I'm very good.
But how long have you been in the States?
Since 99.
What?
Yeah. But I'm always in Ghana.
You're always in Ghana?
Yeah.
And to Tishi?
Me to tree papa.
Yo. Dear no.
Me to tree papa.
But I brought food to send Kruma.
Oh.
Now catch it, sir. Here are they without. Me that's it. And how difficult is your job, and how did you get into this to become a sex therapy?
It's the perception is what makes it difficult, especially me.
And Africa
coming to me culture, any me Ghana for. I am no dream say be for a sex therapist. No, I say we do one son away yeah, koso. But then me who say the idea nim dear said the interest to learn. I will hold more be anywhere I went to me. So what I say. I wanted to know if I could do anything different. What would that have been?
Okay.
You know, and all areas, and I think say I have superseded. But when it comes to sex now, I think say
you're just bold in it.
I was just there.
Ooh,
you know, me call, but me kai. You know.
Okay.
So being a social worker, I wanted to divert to see. It was a personal journey that turned out to be a career.
Wow. Wabemwemu na baby chia kakra na oseme mama nyina ho na me nkomanim se de be ade na on me ne wona osre me no obehumi afere and obehumi asal atwa me pusa.
Yeah, and I face so say be ya obi foforo young person or to send me also ended up the same route.
Okay.
Because your experience be a good teacher.
Good.
If says so betimi asua bibi na watsene wo dia why not? So what I say? See, I need me abedru ha.
You better nyankopon ase.
Papa.
But did you have any challenges be
Very much so. Me a mother of 2 boys, you know. And sometimes to be open about sex when we raising cry. Kakra, you know. But then the boy I mean say me I was raised in an open household.
Great.
Where passion, your passion, and you were encouraged to follow it. And see, the same way in my raising my man, you know. And to know, say, my older son, it's me holding my business card. Actually, teachers for say, oh, my mommy, you know, go talk to my mom.
And you'll be okay.
You'll be okay.
Great.
You know. See, say, we culture, and the perception of me Crawford, it would have been a smooth sailing. But me crop for like who card na and then any part was na odi ansana who
I want to be so.
Oh fear cry yes saying
that means me kwa o
obi
ti me to na bo frɛ sɛ me me na matu hoi akoma na wadi ho mpran styles be na we just because me hear educational sex positions
papa you know. And most of the time, say if Obi beside me that question, the me reply and said there's a thing or two I can teach you.
Okay.
You know, and it will better your life. She said, Opa, look me up.
Because David na me kedi dia go boss na afi otwetwe ho. Why you open it cross over educating no na ayase.
Pa.
Oh,
pa, you know.
Honorable.
Eguma.
So what here? Enne said ye
I have seen
oh Ghana mama nyesa you honorable it's my sister and I say okay Pretty Johnson educating her so she wants to add this to her career to be a sex therapist. Will you allow her to do that?
I want to say our part of the world and the kind of things that and the way we see things.
Yeah.
Okay. I think last week Saturday, then I had a call from my minister. And my call.
Oh, really?
And madam, who was sending a very important call me. My friend, I so can't be me. Papa come you say, or come with your some program, see you bet my Kubiana, and I was doing some program. I was in Yadiana, you crime so called, and I was doing some program. Then I was at about this was you talking about. If you are Brutina, because you need to find a costume, no find quite. And I was an also be could be, hey, in the commander truck row.
What? Okay. You see?
Now, baby, dear. I say, hey, now, maybe the whole. Remember, oh, Eddie, maybe I'll be the minister, and you're not using a physical program. No, oh. But when I was resisting that mean finding call. So resisting the man in call. Now there is I was here for bingo. I was on the only video TV and he keeps calling and asking I might be able to make appointment for her and she's so curious and she wanted Onim Pao. And I was Onim Tiazo Mobi Hunyasa. I mean that he believes that somebody must know something. But a part of the world
to accept they even watch, I have a problem.
Yeah.
But I know by His grace, almost the whole world, locally, Ghana, all the regions, abroad, you just name the states, the countries, they are watching us
very much
via internet.
Very much so. It goes viral all the time.
Thank you so much. Honorable, thank you for the break-in, but you did not answer the question. Will you allow?
You see, me.
Oyere, I'm an sex therapist.
You see, so no be a different matter.
Okay.
So no be is another matter. Obia said I believe that You must let the person have her own will. The person must do what she feels is good. And you see, there's what is good and what people think is good. What you think is good, what I think is good, and what is good.
All right.
3 times.
Yeah.
I want to finish the program. You see, we finish. But what generally on the quiet, okay. To say Hadipa.
Yeah.
Like this Zoom live manager was always been complaining that per my level, and I sit on radio and talk this one. And then one day I went to his house and I said, "Oh, take me the so we over." And I thought it was a morning devotion, so I just bumped into the office. I wanted to say, "Hello, your devotion, I'm in Combra." Well, no, I'm not the enemy. Somebody was always been criticizing why I sit on radio and talk this one. You understand? So media, maybe you say, "Oh, Ruby, I won't talk it." You see, when you get married to somebody, you don't cattle the person's freedoms
at all.
And I did see. I mean, there was a program today that I went with my wife, and I was so tight yesterday and today that I didn't watch.
After the launching of the Tema Excellence Awards,
and I'm the type that go program. I try to jokingly say, and then I just want to find out and just be sure that the thing must be okay. I may be wrong, so I want to say they be ready and found way.
Yeah.
And my papa way and say.
Yeah.
And today she wears some block heel that I've never seen before.
Okay.
I was really, really surprised.
Wow.
But it's me, I come in manage.
Sir?
But you see, nada. It looks guaranteed for me, but I'm someone that is what they wear. That is, you understand? And everybody saying it was nice. To me, it was not nice. To me, if I had a chance to buy, I may not buy that one.
You buy one of this one.
Wonderful. And then she bought that one.
Yes, that one is in vogue.
Yes. Wonderful. And then she worked very good in. And as much as I would not like that one, doesn't mean I will prevent them from wearing it.
Okay.
That is me. And other men may have their own way. Oh, I will be on Tony. Oh, I know. Let's get it right. If all yeah, dear beer, idea, me prevent to pay per se. I do over here, I don't know if that is what. Or let it be. What is it?
You allow. All right. Adeshimama and Odo Ahomaso, we are fanina. Yenya ba Pretty Johnson. Over US. The name Diano, oh, I've been a con name chamidie. And Yenina Babishia or a sex therapist. Other for Maminda and a black mosquito coil, I say. So I say, I sneeze me the Odo Ahomaso brewo every Thursdays and Fridays. And I say, fly away, flies, killers. And also, I know nampa papa. And no no, oh my goodness. Ooh, get in here. And I do insecticide spray. Sani mami and some way in a boy and who buy pa. I mean, malaria. And he saving money. Unya malaria now, coughing a cocoa card, do cotton rubber brebe, a dose, ye says cano, ye the best savvy, dear da. And I just blame a secret for say, someone see us near to me or Odo Ahomaso brewo, Adom TV, Thursdays and Fridays, 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. But it's a business for you too. A chrome omobasis, namwa, Toby, next show business. I say, Minya ba Pretty Johnson. I know US, sometimes we have cockroaches that, that kind of flies. So certainly you got to I'll get you some.
Thank you.
Why?
I appreciate
now
it.
they are called spray. Oh, yeah. Okay. Auntie, what do you need to do right now to get your notebooks as you do always? Your pen or pencil? And then get ready because she's really going to educate us. And the honorable here, I'm here too. So we'll see. Set near mekano. Not wrong and right. Sometimes when you have a different person coming to advise your family members, they listen attentively. Yeah. Definitely. So today you got work to do.
We'll see.
And you give us a sex position. Are you okay? After the show, we'll do it together.
A sex position?
Yes. We'll be doing it together.
The sex therapist is right.
She's right off on a sex position.
No, I'm not. I can illustrate it really, really good.
That's my baby.
But then because of I'm kind of well endowed, so sometimes I'm not.
And I condo because a lot of these figure here in Ghana. I didn't know what to use it for.
Typical African woman.
You know, you are a typical, beautiful African woman.
Thank you.
African
men don't want to be them.
What's this here? Wonderful. Wabasa. Wunyi kran. Why?
Oh, Odo.
All right, let's get to the debate. How important is sex in marriage?
It's very, very essential. Very, very essential. I think see a bit dear home trust. Rebecca said sex here, you know, a drive-by, like here, you know. Without sex, you don't communicate. You don't have that moment for yourself. Cause sorry how I for a mere brain crab you lose track of yen. What's your work where Juma Obia busy, Oba cry homework a Gianni say. At the end of the night, what bread, you know. And stress a wab on tin dorsal. That's so bit in part the sex I release stress for Dr. Bianju scar. I mean
Free sir.
Ooh. The internet said we ignore that factor, you know. And sex me look younger. You know.
Say it again, sweetheart.
And me look very younger. Who glow, you know. Rather unfortunate say society demonizes sex. I mean be dirty. But in reality, Yakopon boy, you know.
I have some idea.
And mama na dirty because of your perception. How are you,
Yeah.
Anyhow, what your culture say? How are you raising, you know, to keep sex outside? Nobody's supposed to see you hug. Nobody's supposed to see you touch. Ti amana din di amana be tantan bi. Banka o kapa dia. You know, sex idea F send pe mi mo dom. Na without saying words, we betimi communicating in another way. You build a special bond.
Okay. Enti efe, de, akono,
papa.
Ye ba na dia. Na wo ti ase, na wo nim ni a wo be ya.
Yeah.
Enye fin bio.
Oh, anya de fin kra.
Okay.
Anya de fin kra. Ye na ya yensa, you know, because Sankrofo refuse to accept say natural. Ti ama aye bibi tan. Me also for ba.
Yo.
What I say.
Okay.
And men and me suffer. Me chi buy a suffer.
Wow.
You know.
Suffer busian.
Suffer busian.
So what I say. But then me know be a me can me share and I say she's a marriage counselor. See corno pardon ka sexy idea who is okay. You fan them. But other than that, no, me kai say or true email be brave me. Say
who so start say echo school nana.
Yeah.
Okay.
Me we krana like nana dream ni ho bebre sa. Only no bomb pie sen kan yakopon dem be ko
asofudie mu
Bible studies no mu ne kan won. And I face me say what 2 boys no. But then
I minister B.
Oh, me pay email no. I mean who yes mommy mom na tram say I me number. I don't read me email. Yakopon shower adwuma ho ye. So wa ma hwe ansi ukwan.
Wow.
You know. Now for the first time I see ade na wo ye na se.
Wow.
Say enye say wo ye bibi promiscuous but then wo boa obi say be a omo end say wo. Say be a ni kunu emfa na chi na so hu ade tantan like and sexy.
But doesn't mean say who can say obi anye to say wo no. Doesn't mean say that time na o worry no. Na empema you were not good. You didn't know anything about it.
I was there.
You were there.
I was there. I was present. I performed my wifely duties.
Okay.
So I say. But how many times now test or bad say what enjoy sex?
Okay.
You know.
You can't do.
You're who different. You know.
Then the cross say when you're careful now you want to now you problem.
Oh, and
I sound do go swim fin.
So what and I face oh catch a bear my say me penny say ya. I said, hey, now here I go see away free. Or real different.
Never seen the bit memory become.
Baby, but then say yeah, papa say enjoy one. I see explore each other. You know. Nya dey was see TV so and I say porn and I dey bad them. But then learn me. Oh, she baby also me more manage. Yeah, explore home.
And now when him clutch no. Say anka what the one sa. Efa me no fo ase kakra. You know, anka be ma me kwa do. You know, anka be me de. But sometimes here na empema grow wo yiri ni wo kunu ni no aka ma no atum.
Oh, you know. And then a man be kono makwa akoda ho. You know, yes was senior.
Na me man so omo de omo kote na baba na ejina dada. O se ba wo nem koda ho twem na meba wo mo so enya mo den koda ho twem na meba o
and I saw mom koda ho twem I mean koda ho twem said the mema microwave and my oven.
Repeat.
My microwave and my oven.
I see.
Who fiti preko pe emfa pie and as a meat and share oven. Oh, warm and answer.
That's right.
You know, so
a certain level.
You know, a man's body respond physically. You know, Miss Median is something that you have to work. And so, mommy, like, oh, mommy, so sorry be
systematically, gradually.
You know,
me
who's sorry. Who cry when the budget. But now, if it's a bam, thank you, ma'am, let's go. I mean, actually, I'm going to give you an excuse. Me.
Oh. And the excuses, bebra, me no money be mano. Just say my mano to me satisfy womo. And then I can't come say be akuma mama zimbi. And then Pretty Johnson, from the States. She is a sex therapist. You understand? So, about my excuse and I'm excuse of China. I mean excuse da because man who's sitting who's here. Honorable.
Akuma.
Ada na amont mo mama. And the that patience, you know. Now we explore it properly and then ask the questions.
Akuma.
And I'm we are going from.
Akuma, you see, let's understand something.
Okay, do.
Let's put on record. And then no more wrongs I'll be do about.
Me that's say.
But that would be. What's a strong one? No, be one be one.
Strong one be also your one. Yo.
See, what is happening is, you see, a Juma sing a ketia. Oh, you know, yeah. Obit me do be 3 rounds. Obit do be 1 round pay. As well as they be 1 round nipan.
Okay. Yeah.
Obi with me no be I sex 20 minutes. No be I sex 3 hours. Maybe another 20. You see, in making sex, I believe you don't exert so much energy, David. You don't burn so much energy. Sex, a very strenuous exercise. We sex no swimming. You might dim pa. Sex, and young modin ye, and I'm holding a young kakaya for the big pepper. Young modin ye, come on, so concrete, you want to come with pepper. Sex, we should be body, not as a sick or someone to you, and you know, correct.
Okay. Oh, only 6-pack. Now, for say, where do you be who you are?
Oh, we shall papa in the 4 door. Oh, sick, not yet. Oh, because did this car. I won't say, yeah, when you give, no, this is the man.
Oh, that's true.
Aye. Oh, what I say?
Yeah.
So, 2 boss. You must call the woman into the mood.
That's right.
Sometimes we are fortunate that if you are not bad, or mood. Me catch to be say so be do it you may prepare everything anapa. Anapa ko adwuma no start treating special. Oh dey the TV na mama na me serve.
Oh sir. Eti wonnimi a won serve with team back.
I'm not saying that. I'm saying that preparing the person.
Okay.
What you say? They be away tea da we ntemu to me here, da no so ntemu to me here. But that day who's so much treat them. You see treat and laugh, 2 different things. As people don't know. Some you may give them treat, you love them. No, treat and love. We'll handle it as a topic at a different time.
Yeah.
Treat is not love.
Okay.
Love is different and treat is different. Oh, mommy, then you know, I say, beat, you can say, they say. And then they need 2 kinds. And so you will go on our show. Mommy, I'm fancy soon. You start preparing the person's mind.
Okay.
Let her feel that something is about to happen. Okay, you ma, I'm like, baby. The quick pie, no, you say, the dear cook person. When you're at the workplace, you call and check on her. Yeah, you are planning a later, and I pan can be tea, then come so more. So the second woman can wow, the Asimiami, the way. You just start preparing her.
Sir, Suban, sometimes I do complain about it because a matter to one I say, Akuma, say, yes, me cool premier dimia on honey me. And a pound cheer, 1 year she, not down, no way, see, say, not drink. Say, Nedia, or where you my, son of panel, it was special near my oye. Oh no! I mean, I was me from bed 20 times before he comes home.
Let's not miss.
And I think no, the sex therapist is here.
Yes. No,
is it the right thing to do?
No, all kind of sad disagree because any sex beyond a romantic sex.
Okay.
Sometimes it's a quickie. Quickie on planning ahead of time.
And I mean, can you say yeah?
the honorable kind of the anticipating of like getting something, anticipating as some excitement.
Okay.
To our sex life. Yes, a sex life, our excitement to our life. Period. You know, and and most men, you can read them like a book. So what I say, meaning what you are about to do before I start it. There should be some mystery, especially behind a woman.
Yeah.
You know, there should be something that keeps the person guessing.
You know.
Oh, baby, oh no, I fear. Ni tiri ho. Na tade. But obe hu na bodin. Na ojina hill no so na show wake. Ube du fia we ato say bem. Na one na mo bas. There's nothing attractive about you
At all.
so what I say. And yes, I question Victoria's Secret say sexy. Nye at the chrono and why sexy. Confidence is the most sexiest thing anybody can wear.
This is wonderful.
So to say who fear, not say who cry basa, putting on that confidence, walking with that stride.
Yeah.
You know, taking that steps, like letting your man know I got it.
Oh man.
Ebe mo bakokra wan na kono ama watwa show so. And yes sexy biane, oh babe, and let me say, achina wait and quickie. You know, I'm horny. Just give it to me. That alone cry, it turns on.
Yeah, it's a surprise.
So what I say.
But you know, here, no, after them say quickie, no, bebre yeah, majority of people here don't really get the quickie. They don't understand. And to me, person will be explaining quickie need the supposing honorable is your husband, and you want that quickie thing. How do you do?
Quickie ne. And crying pepper fierce, you know, kitchen here, just bend over.
That's it.
Quickie ne. Hey, oh my, I demo, you know, but I cannot wait to have you. One visit to in-law, one visit to friends, you know. Yes, sex in one bedroom.
All right.
Crawford limited sex to a bed.
A bed.
That's it. Well, for the love, just for the love of God, Gracie baby or fear apart from bed, you know. It's fun for marriage couple not to lose that excitement. For people who are in committed relationship, long-term relationship, to know say, and you say, what banana Joe and I see a bed dano, and you have sex. You know, time beer you can fit it in.
The bed is for sleeping.
Oh gee, say that again.
We need to sleep on the bed, not to make love on the bed. I mean, once in a while, yes.
Making love, you know, but then we have sex that is first time sex, like first time sex. Well, maybe 15 years, when you draft, what created that first moment. Time we share, you know, we didn't die be one, parky be so time and any baby, no. Now only what down for be what dime be mono. What created that moment? What the blanket are set from. So, yeah, well, that romantic sex, I was saying the candles, why away. And it was sex, you know what? I'm in a hurry. Just give it to me and just brighten my day. You know. So there's no way I said, where Pierre cry, they are not aching to come home.
Oh yeah.
You know.
Auntie Lucy, she's watching. I told her that today a special woman is going to come. And I said, do you know what sometimes I do? Most of the time I bought high. Emma Nikun. Nikun, yeah, you are one of the renowned banks here in Ghana. Into your bought tiny money kun so oh yeah, and I say, hey, before I finish the tie, now I'm turning it back. Oh my goodness. Now, see the day that she died, on time, yo, now every day we are all taking the husband by surprise.
Yeah.
Because at the time, it was the room, let's say, or the garage through the kitchen. And she put my garage, you know, before, I mean, Jaja, and she's so bad. So I say, I am my wet towel, not in between my breasts. And so I don't even allow him to go back. I just use that towel. So, you know, I got two of them. Maybe one. I start drying. Then I put it back in there. Yeah. By 3:30, it's home. I say, you know what you did to me? I cannot. I mean, I had a visit, but I want to come home, right? You know. And then no, Odo Ahomaso yeah, and you be seeing my baby to France, But she's got a little time. We'll make time. She'll come here again. And then we will do it one after the other before she leaves to the States. But honorable, a chefuno.
Really travel. Said the what package you never found an eye for. Me do progress in I am. Me pe mo pe.
Open mo.
Aye. But we did through the whole day pen more from me. But we didn't one with me. We didn't fried rice with me.
Okay.
It's in the top with me. The all a movie.
But we in the top. Odo who? Oh. Yes, see moto.
Say what I want. We be able to get in and where we go and I want. Yeah, 2 was sharing jollof rice among.
Papa B.
And mutu I seen it.
Okay. It's a mutu turn okay.
You will say the whole same day me di mo. But how can make us with the mutu? Me di jollof. Me di awam. Me na so ye mo.
All right. Now yeah, the compositions.
To what you were saying, I have a friend and only probably be
hold it. Mammy commercial break the member. The neighbor won't come on. Pretty Johnson.
Alan.
Kotia Funo.
Oh, Debbie.
May I say? We'll be back. May I say? Wow, welcome back to the show, our show. And we are most grateful that you got time, you're watching us, and soon you'll be activating 4 lines, say Eddie Amau, and Tina Wawinim. You'll be about you. So get to my Instagram page and start bringing your comments. Any question you want to ask our one and only lovely sister, Pretty Johnson, just send it to my Instagram page and I'll certainly read it out for her. Auntie, let's go there. Let's see. I have a beautiful... let me borrow an eye, you know, my reading. Rosie Cloud say, hi, Mama, I want you to give a shout out to my lovely husband, Timothy Otu. He is the best husband to me. Again, you look gorgeous, all of you, okay? Cecilia says, hi, how are you? Cecilia, as you can see, we're doing good. We are so grateful. So bring a lot of comments through my Instagram page, and I'll certainly read them for you. Before we went for the commercial break, Pretty Johnson, maybe someone say, Kotia Funo.
Debbie.
What's it, Debbie?
Kotepa Funo.
Kotepa. What's it?
Kotepa Funo.
Kotepa Funo. Now, why you romantic pao? Who ya kaya na?
Oh, Debbie, can be.
Now, what's it from?
Baby.
When you baby has 6 years, 10 years, 15 years. When him said your bayo, when him saw start here, or the unsa ubo with you, or the suffer with you, say, or she shouldn't cry. The catch a man and was so when near cheat will win him. And I wouldn't him the old by Yanua, the home by Bantam, or no soon. Never got any from.
I mean, I dead yet. People have been eating chocolate forever. I mean, this will be like I said, chocolate are funny that. Ice cream are funny that, you know. I dead. And yet, number of years, and I said number of months. But then, you know, it'll be so more. You don't have to do much.
Not only Musa.
You know, I say a good hug enlightens a woman's day. You know. So,
Let her repeat that.
And when the honorable request you, a good word.
A good hug enlightens a woman's day.
So, but yeah, ukunu atu, and now you're
atu. Or you what to ask, or your favor. I said, you know. No.
And see, yeah, hagi and one. I was saying about 2 seconds or something.
You know, there's no time limit when it comes to intimacy.
Okay.
You know, because honorable can say sexy woman yet 3 hours, and I say, you know, most of the time, you mimic what we've seen. At the time, I took so 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and I say, me so much say and a bed. I said, time, wish you be I said, you're not winning the church. When your ex, you're working mom, good baby.
Maybe may apply no baby because if you're working, I'm a banana.
Definitely, it's not going to work.
Okay.
You know, we respond differently. We are different entities.
Yeah.
To say, oh, but that's what I call it playbook. When him do from A to Z. And also, you kind of you know you lost before you started. You know. To say obi baba so mo na bibia enye time obe hug to the bia obi to me hug guilt so tight you feel safe you feel warm inside, you know. Obi suma quick hug, but then the quick hug kind of like with a tease. That's what chikakra. You know, all that comes into play.
Okay.
Tinya time and that's on, but then how you do it.
Into a banner intimacy, you should be a bit creative in doing certain things.
Very.
Right.
You know, very. And I can see so. China to do kuniguso. A change mood, no.
Ooh.
You know.
It's in the airplane. Say. It's a banner and Pema Grace. It was innovative.
Very like. And so say yeah. A regular, a norm. There's nothing norm about
a dear.
You know. I said, and you know, what it's me kakra. I mean, it gets old. So what's spanking me kakra? I mean, it gets old if you're gonna do it every day. You know, surprise me.
Spanking, oh, they'll say no. Yeah, what him took kakra.
You know,
visa. You know, jai.
Surprise me.
Whoa.
You know, my I said, so me munafe. I said, me who dream me.
Honorable. When remember what you know. Maybe so.
You only can do can only no more send you. Sky Saben, you know, we have been able to do. Anna, the only can do send you. And a boss send you to people say some pigeon night to her and your yana. And I say, Anya, and then it's time for. And I know or the little left and Anya. And I same thing say, may right, you're saying ya joy. Or yen right 1, 2, I do respond to your pet and then it's time for.
Whoa.
And it's yeah. Yes, it is. I mean, I've always been saying that when I hear people say, oh, the best sex, they go counselor, I get confused.
Honorable, will you accept a bad love making? Men are too lazy to explore the bodies.
Some men are too lazy.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Come on, you
talent. Am I straight to do? And I dear Pedia, Jonathan, I was in your day. And I dare say,
come on, yeah. Obit me shit, Umbo now shebo. They say, tell me who is messy. You can sit beside the TV, Embodino, who's away messy. It's me more player, Bruno Conti, not got TV. You struggle to know who is the Bruno Conti. If you are not, be a boy of a now, no near now. Who act on this one? Okay. You need to be very creative and skillful. So to say, senior, when you trim. Maybe I am not near. I could not finish nature. I sign of a respond. Say to yourself, I want to touch somewhere. What afraid no respond. You understand? Oh, yeah, I saw Kaka. When I was later, now I dream sound engine sound.
Bibia.
What was sparking because we can't be had? Was what was I say? Adding. You sit in your car, the car is yours, and you spark it, then you can feel there's something wrong with the car. Obi your truck and be out for something right. But you na car there, you know say there's something wrong. Indeed, ube licky the baby. All respond to ye. What I say? But you also respond to oh, a coye.
I just saw.
Now I had the fufu.
I didn't care now what you train him say. Bibi, I
you see, when you have sex with a neat woman, you must be able to explore everywhere. Come on, me worry and there's a girl I'm a dated.
What say?
Me worry. The only time I know by what happened, can you believe this?
Nenase.
Yes.
Tambia.
Say, it is a long time I know about. You try to play around the nasty pet. You understand? Hey, only me and from one caddo. It was innovations. You touch here and go here, you touch here. And every time you need to be able to. And you shouldn't be predictable. We are predictable, but no matter what. Shouldn't be predictable. We are predictable. Our call why not predictable. I said, husbands need to say, me could ye, me yes say, or be say. Meaning, maybe
any king.
Meaning, maybe you need
a man a phone.
Madame, you also come and be some person they require. No, tell us share, wow, share him out, and you move off and Kobe. Ha! Maybe you look at such a long, and get the achievement of the mission. What does it? Open when I tell it, I can't get the mission. That's the difference between the two people.
Yeah.
What you make us say? Say, see how sure be. Masa, me and could you car AC woman to show about the car is parked in the garage. You park the car, was more for
like I told you.
What you sit about that tasso. Madame also or company is we carry.
They fine.
I for you car when I get it.
And they may be a full line strength term. If we say a sex therapist, the way you have enough time to be some questions. A bit of I shall see a day. One more issues to know a bar. See, making kind. Lilia Kankama said, watching you live from Brooklyn, New York. I'm learning a lot tonight. Your sister that is watching you. King says, shout out to Dinah and baby King Dede. Tell them keep safe and blessed. Yate now me be beautiful lines no e dia mamo. Now obi be at me afre we be say questions. Pain. Whatever it is. She's the chef tonight on Odo Ahomaso. But me jai be bia e dia ma. Sometimes when we are hurt or your partner lies or does not fulfill, he or she does not fulfill promises, it doesn't put you in a good mood to make love.
No.
All right. I don't see numbers about me afre. 0302 211 701. 0302 211 702. 0302 211 703 and 0302 211 704. Message more television volume not above for, so when you call we can hear you clear and loud. Yeah, that's it. So keep your comments coming through the Instagram page and I'll certainly read them for you. My name is Makra. Sweetheart,
darling,
what are some of the spices we can add to our love making?
Oh, strawberry.
Strawberry?
You know,
is it strawberry ice cream or?
Strawberry ice cream is infused.
Okay.
So what's I say? The fruits be on my a boa or bar or scent.
I see.
You know, strawberry, Emma, we had a dead.
Ooh.
You know. And I said, we be like strawberry who I did my apple cider. For apple cider, I can be friends. So it's so been one out of what I say.
Wait, they work one more. Welcome me. Welcome me. I never know. Akuma, na pretty Johnson. But I don't say then. Hold on, but you. And then I also say very asana. It's also cider. Na say apple na. I say so repeat uncle.
Yeah, apple cider like a kill it gems on. And I face when I see a couple wet wives. Senya wet wives grandpa. Fabibia ubetim so go mo Johnson
pepper.
You know.
Mama for Bishop wa pizza. Now the one must first go and someone see.
Hey.
Bemena.
Kuma.
Yeah. Miss me that say.
Oh, ona bo mi ngoda. Ona bo wada me da. Ona me na da. Ene ba betina so address what you ya to mu izam. Ko se betina se.
That's a honey original.
No one here.
Yeni I can't be a senior yebi.
Messi, Kuma, omo ye bi na fake. We Odo. We and my lunch back. Messi, we Odo Ahomaso University.
University, me that say.
Yeah, university for no. Na omo makanyina no kindergarten. Mami bawo. Honorable Machia Oni Orijafo, Honorable, any Mammy Event.
Pretty Johnson.
Hey, Pretty Johnson. You will be a friend. I want to never know. And that much a change, Mommy. Question name is this year, who put I, ASA, was a phone, and now got dear, a phone. Over that years, never heard for. Before that, moment, James of the new way. So I like and to for you, which any people, and any Mrs. Monica for you.
Me hope it's almost
more. Oh, no program, no educative song. Yes, she will be brave free. You that's why on the church, that's them. I can see you. Akuma, I am a cheese and somewhere I am a medicated. Pimpi no so no ba betina on the nipa home for near.
Yeah.
So in a normal circumstance, nipa ko fire. Na emfa nko edim. Obi o ma o de kodiem.
Okay.
O de kodiem a na ye ze be makro obo adwaman won chen. Se oba no zo e dibi wa abonten a ana obega san e bia meka se wo be ma no zo kwati ewu wontumi eni akana mani mfili ati ase doctor mu zo wa oboko no na ye yo ni wo ni mama enso nko so what
me bishop ni me da say yes ahoma no so ayema
oh me ka ma to masi ensi
esi ne yanko
so ko na uzo ko te wu ne so be ita ho anu wonti nya bilia no atop for baby no ko dibia ba oba so ko te no kra for me
mate
na mai awade taye ni se ye dwani efi ye kumu fie ni sane mani nyina e ba so no
me da say hey o say kromfo ye da manya se papa e na de mema na dikan yo Alfred ye ma ko abadi Odo Ahomaso hello Alfred.
Hello, good evening.
Me da say. Na Alfred, wo frɛ fifa na ma wonne so kakra ma yen.
E ka cha me stress nkoko.
Nkoko yo ye da say etie o.
Yo, na mujuma di kaya kama nde juma di any topic mo ya no. Kama pa.
Yo.
Ene mani aje pa ma me no free ai amana me ba ya no ne step no. The dress ne kula ne kumi no.
When we sign one for pa, one ni bebre very simple.
Come on also Michiano.
Why ma me say we are jam me no. Jam me no.
Manimra.
I was for 7 years. I was a mere son.
Okay.
See, I said,
me pa chop ma woni so kakra ma ye wan na say woni wo form kakra.
I said not the customer maybe after the chicken as give kakra.
Oh, you have for wachi.
Me yiri ya dia mo no ya fa na yeshi.
O yiri mo na ya ade na wo pese wo fa na shi. Ade na oye. Ade na oye.
Mama ndi.
Yes.
You be a manager.
Okay. So. Okay. We already in fear him.
I was in the 29 years.
39 years. Oh my goodness. Nene J empema grow home. Now first no band master say there or chino kakra. No say you 39 years. I was just going to ask her, Ebi Juma Ben, oh yeah. Ahano, a mani bebre, any memanu su bebre, a binmo, one more pet my bread. Majuma my essay, Majuma my essay. Sanya mano, yet yen account money.
Obie ni wa and pabwe shania comfortable be ye go ha fa for fresh. What you say, and also be make excuses. Seni paneni je, na so no so nya bibi free moi. The excuse ni ho.
Okay.
You know, most men are very selfish. I say, ononkwane dear.
Okay.
You know, she ni obane hua. Ayene fair na say, obe, like, obe commending hon say, you know what? And then why if I so doing cremade. But the way ready, I episode you're so far light and when me a touch light, like, what her cream. It doesn't work. So, say, mene bema now it's all about you. What motivates me to do anything?
Mu pie crown no share the dressing.
Just it's all pie. Or no, only in pie. You know, I'm all for relationship to have a successful relationship. So be in life,
of course.
So be I want a life outside of a marriage.
Okay,
you know, and pray, you know, bear my person call no catch your set now. You know, me can't so bad ye kushini. Me wo fear me number one priority e me ma.
Okay.
E me juma, you know. But then I want to have fun. Me dini die be ma. Me nye bibia ebe how, you know. But then se me ye bibi na se wo mpa how be catch them me no.
No problem no. Hello sweetie, me ma kwa body Odo Ahomaso. Hello Alex.
Yeah.
Me da say Alex, who free fi?
But I'm prefer just no.
Just so. Yo, say. Yet you.
But I want to say.
Nyamia dumo, no na dum no, adum ye nyina na motie ye.
Me na me fra bonabaso.
Oyire.
Wow.
Ye da se papa yetie.
Na wa da kran so me nyana no.
Good. Auntie Ama. Edi en wa ntia obonabaso.
Enema bebre na wa ye.
Ebi ni de
recently na me ya ma sam kakra.
Oh.
Na oba to me no ba with it.
Wa ifa.
Ewo.
Oso oba to ni oba na we he.
Ewo dem.
Mu dem.
Baton. Na the way I was here, fact. But so you see, in fact, I'm not going to dream.
Oh, yeah, then.
Why you be she just calm down. I'm like, baby, I'm he, not the phone.
Oh,
I'm a feel for crying.
I'd say no.
Like, I got some nearby.
And to where jam plan no.
Oh, I don't hear any crime, no more.
Miss Auntie, where giant na. Say, it's not the first time one. Maybe you really want what they maba them ho. Wait to so here on your baba demo.
Oh, I'm the first time.
First time, no, what you we know.
But
oh, many aba. Oba se wakoto. Mehima, Gifone, Gifono. Na, hello, Odo.
Hello.
Hello. Mami, abana obachi nui. Unimuno. Na unimuno. Na wo class wo kwa hina. Wo san we chi bechi wukunu. Anana ma tete se otaye sa de.
Me san say ono no ti. Baby na me smiti baby ejuma semunti.
Okay.
Me cry na say like man cry na say me ba ho.
Nyame do wo. Eti no wedi na wi na afa na ka obedi no.
Oh, na wedi na wi.
Enti enyumre no usuma ni di wo.
Oh, baby.
Me da say. Na ade na abatu bibi sa wan wo so oba ne kakra.
Oh, we find say na me na mama ahode because na me san say your back and me.
Oh, how many months?
5 months.
Nyame do wan kasa. And ko betimi nya miscarriage.
Yeah.
Because you list especially your husband. Yes. Wow. Jesus loves you. And your mama hoden Emma enti eba sa wo ye den. O man to pon mu how did you or den na pon ya tum and I am tum.
There's me tum.
Enti
Otemi kasa na o sorry film panaso be man. Ni re no ba na dampan.
On your one say wo ba.
Baby.
Why lucky. Okoshia mani bi ankobete. Nyame nhira wate.
Amen.
Kasa. Enti oba ne dampa no so na ye den. Ye maybe.
And then this and shama betu so dem kunum paso no ye hwan. Yeah. But the problem is I said me say if we a mistake kakra wa mona man ye sa wa wore.
Yo. Enti wukuna pataw.
Me va say.
Wa pataw.
Baby on pataw me.
Fafo no ma wukunu.
Why we pataw?
Honorable, please. Honorable, please.
See, the moment we didn't pataw.
Honorable, please. Hello. Bemena. What were you know how many years?
Pataw, yeah, go 4 years.
Moko 4 years ne. E dem panti e na ofa wirechi.
Me you no.
Me say wa mechiwo a tie me. Me srew. But wa mechiwo a anka ohun na enhu ochena anka ne obesan atwa so. Ana me boa.
Daddy.
Adenda na na obano wan chene sa wo yire wo
But what?
adent ya no men cat line no ye ke very important won say nyame na aboa o yire ne 5 months or your baby anka bibi besi obetimi lose pregnancy no miscarriage could have happened to her but God his grace but what am I say enti oban ko ye chin den ma kan kire wo yire
Oh, my panacho, but and then I will catch us. My partner and I will say, "Be a compensate."
And then I will be compensating, no. And then we and then I will be compensating, no. Be pesamete.
Oh, for now, then the only say, my mom one feel like my can't pay. Never, my farmer now.
Okay.
And so, I mean, be a and then as soon as you say no, or sign mono. So no, I can't say be a say.
All right.
My man.
Okay. Me desu afre na wo boy ira ba so e wo funso a wa ye e na wo ire nso wetimi agi phone na wa ka bibia me pa cho enti apa wo ya ade wo fa wo ire chi ache how many weeks?
But since April this year.
Oh, since April, yeah, this month. Oh my.
Oh, the year April.
Okay.
Now I'm birthday.
Now your birthday.
I'm giving you.
Me honorable me ba. Enti me pancho after 6 months, where do we read?
But also.
After 6 months, yeah, would do your babu free. Would the girl? What do we read?
But I.
What protect her?
But I.
Girl, now do no protect her.
But I.
We are sure.
I.
Enti obanu who condom or demo. When you know who condom.
Me the see.
Hey, I read then you dress up and I can't see you. Eh? Opening. Maybe we are in a rock. We are because so you're on him. Well, into very vulnerable.
My partner, Chawama, though, what they are telling me about me, that's how far we so. Now, almost say, and my man will say, "Man, no man, when you say, my man will cry." Okay. I said, "Bonifacio, I do."
I'm so
grateful. Okay. So, me pass a video now.
Okay.
I'm really serious.
Yeah, really serious. All right. Yo, answer na honorable Ebeka Sano. Me pese fa phone ma review. Hello, Miniaba. Bibi kwenti mi ma wo mma wudin, but wo kunu wo ho. Mo wo ye nim ba bia, but e fa Odo Ahomaso nti no, ya ye abusua emu oduro na me de se obi eni mu de but obeti se papa bi oni yire awari for 4 years Odo Ahomaso wa confess ko man yire nso akasa wo kun se o pese o che say from the bottom of his heart or Sir Boniface wo di a che na pa na wo mo so enfan kan asem da na me nua ba
but already a che no they are che
yo
na ni na ka brabo no bi
oh
yeah me ko hu tan se na me first time na me hu bibi sa da me nim said or yet dia it mean treba me first time
bibi sa
bibi so no it's ne o se me come down na e tell me be yeah tino with the action
the action no
but the american say on me say bi
yo
no na za mama be ngun kakra
onye bio honorable kasa yes
God reveals to redeem.
Yampa. God reveals to redeem.
Birthday.
Now
birthday, wedding anniversary, Christmas da. You knew be aka you know. Na mama mo nkrase for do. Na birthday dey go do obi a we na edi no. Sa de ye no. Birthday pass be no we say so we do yire kwe. Ejo go di obi no. Say e man pattern san pattern bi.
Enti me bi say maame no mama wo so.
The birthday go di obi say.
Wo go di. E di pa na pese wo kun ni pata o.
Asemo kuma say dia me dwen wan na ma wo.
Wa wo ampa.
Say me be yi me fi mu.
Obeyi we free mo. Ma me jime na ma. Monye na ma into ho.
The birthday passing the card.
0244 0244 26 1200
0244
26
1200
Nyame enhira mo WhatsApp line so enti betimi ama me message say bia wo na wo ku fa wa chi a che no the pregnant woman so that I can just get it, okay? Bless you. Oh, my very last caller and very very educative. Yeah. Oh, me nya ya o cyclo. Yeah, it to say.
But I'm doing now for
na do maraka. When you aje pa.
I'm doing jaji.
Amen. Yeah, worry.
Bachan.
Na uba to say ukunu for obi echi abende.
Oh, I'm quite me quite a similar thing, but I'm doing
yetio. But kawasa yetio. Yeah, kawasa when yetio.
Oh, Mr. Kuma,
yes.
You're worried for 1 year and 1 year, I think 1 year, 3 months. And you kind of saying, Yamia Day, Yawea, 1 year, but Mr. Dia, Menene Nano, Mesha Sense, a very watery, very light. It's the Susu say, I think, say, Mimi, when they say he has a low skin count.
Okay.
Almost 18 hours, like I told him, say, young call. Cooking specialist kind of come to see
okay.
And what's behind you kind of say, what say no, what was it now? Nah, yeah, and I'm see you, Eja, about don't you, then I'm more calm.
Only shake can.
And ye teenager. It's, I think, last week, and me too, me penny phone, I call me credit.
Yeah.
It's, you know, and what they I don't know what pushed me into a kind of saying WhatsApp, right? And I'm a call WhatsApp. And I did find one, you know, down to town, I said, ne brother. If he communicates to him anything that he does,
okay.
Nah, me afraid, like we call that side, you know. And I'm a cool here.
I didn't know who
because who is your catcher and say, or mini PA,
okay.
And it's me who is our catcher and down from saying, and when you need that was Easter program, you know, or maybe a Saturday anyway, or March, Sunday anyway.
Well, I say,
and or say, on Nipano, on just a real one for Nipano, Hanon, they are going outside Accra, that's Eastern region.
And I'm almost going to be on.
Oh, my uncle, who run them also Nipane Quay. Oh, it's in one Nipane Quay, and night age 150 Ghana. And I'm coming to him, say, Members, also Bob is coming on my alcohol specialist. So why is spending the money outside?
150.
I was loose talk. It was just loose talk.
I was like, and I'm going to say, I just want to see, I don't know what happened. All of a sudden, I'm going to say, me that Monday, Mr. Monday, that Sunday, and I'm a panel. I wouldn't go to church. I would sit down and just pray. Me bomb pints all of a sudden, you not you. One thing Casson could be.
Amen. Na ya juma. E de nyame ase. Hey, auntie,
really pains me say what to say no what I'm thinking of like say. I don't know what I'm thinking say is it true that he has a low sperm count? Because what the watery that way na me because when it gets to Korea, it comes out.
You actually
I feel really.
Hello, sweetie. What it is, whether the sperm is light or thick or, very small, you need to go and see the doctor first. And say, no, dear ma'am, that time they take one.
No.
Great. And say they want me find Janice.
Okay.
Yeah, but relax. You pray and they say, wait me a confront and say, you since say he's having an affair.
No, he says, no, fortunately, me should done in a bonkomo about, no, me should done in a bonkomo with an say, intino, you can say, then I like, then I may, yeah, a pemana aqua wanting because I do everything. Me, ebia. Mostly weekends, no, I am in here with Finty. Friday, you may say, Meko campus, and Mepo school, Meba, Meba transfer your for ya and quine for start because I just did a cut in my year. Inside me, I said, the work
Auntie,
everyone matching. Me, I said, I can't only do that. So I do everything from if you respect, if I am a economic, said he wouldn't go out.
Oh, the man, or your Germany, would have money 20 times in a day. Or Beka could do baby. Auntie, my when in the home, money who say you've seen what he's doing, he better stop. Well, because it's only a year and some months of marriage. Now, by this time, I started didn't hold there. You have a big load. And yet easy. But all right.
I think
yeah, go ahead.
She has something wrong. And it said, what is everything to her is not everything to the man.
Yeah.
You know, most of the time, how I receive love is different from how my partner receives love.
Okay.
I like present. I like to be touched. Yeah, I'm a partner of words of affirmation, or like quality service.
Yeah.
What I say. So where be na me boano a ohun se me dono.
Okay.
Ohun se me kamfo ohun se me dono. Meanwhile, me so me te ono the present share me nsem ma na me hwihwi. Me so no so do me. And I say osomi mu a me so no so do me.
Yeah.
Ti say wo no de wo pe no enye no e na no so pe.
Okay.
That is not how love equates. There's 5 languages of love. We all speak different language.
Wow.
So,
you said there's 5 languages of love?
Yeah.
Give me one.
It's words of affirmation.
Yes.
Quality service. Gifts. Physical touch. And I forgot the last.
The last one. Don't worry. The last one, I know you'll be back again, and then we'll go. Adishmema Honorable. What's the Bema who do birthday? You need one. And she said, "Who do birthday? Yeah,
o birthday. O you come on your
okay. One anniversary.
O birthday, one anniversary. Wedding day. You be okay.
You do your check.
Na go do okay.
No we do kunkote.
Ti.
Me da say. Adishi mama me nim say wo de. Me da say. So yeah, mre na wo tan Adom TV ho. Na hwe Odo Ahomaso. Na nim dia enne. Ye nua ba, ye dofo ba. Pretty Johnson, for years, or the be the sex therapist. Don't worry. Next week, or Baba Twaswamaye. Because within the week, yeah, don't worry. It'll be so keep your dial on Adom 106.3 FM and keep watching Odo Ahomaso on Adom TV. Honorable, I love you more. And I just Black Masito Koya, we salute all of you and you, our viewers and our contributors and everybody. My cameraman, he's just super. My soundman, my light man, MCR, oh my goodness. Producer director. Hi, Pretty Johnson. Don't worry, set position. What's the set position? Yeah, and after the show. But my position be and yeah, easy. Let's give it to them, Meda. Yo, I love you, sexy. But